Hey guys, Evan here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable voice chat on Roblox. Now, Roblox just recently added the ability to voice chat in Roblox games. So all you have to do is go to the roblox.com homepage, go to the top right, click on the gear icon here, and then you want to go ahead and click on settings. This is going to open up your account info, and where you want to go down to is the personal section here, and you want to make sure that your account is age verified, meaning that your account is over the age of 13. To verify your account, all you have to do is enter in your birthday and then click on verify age. It's going to ask you to scan some sort of ID to verify that you're over the age of 13. Once you have done so, all you have to do is go to the privacy section on the left-hand side here, and you want to go to beta features where you see the option to enable voice chat. And once you enable this, you'll be able to use voice chat with your microphone in voice-enabled games. Now, in order to actually see this feature, you're going to need to make sure that your account on Roblox is age verified. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to have access to this feature. But that is basically how you enable voice chat on Roblox. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like. But that's going to do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.